number 6 of wrapping the Tesla. Today is actually finale. This is the finale day. We're going to be finishing everything. We're just cutting off the sides right now so we can finish off our dechrome. Soon as we finish off our dechrome, H is going to be jumping onto the windows to finish off the window tint that we're doing on this. And I'm going to be jumping onto the front bumper to finish off the front bumper. And then once we've done that, it's the final things that we're doing inside. I'm not going to tell you guys, but we're going to show you. So let's get cracking. Let's get working. I hope you all have a fantastic day of watching us. No, I'm joking, but I hope you all have a fantastic day still. So, what are we cutting, bro?
We're cutting the Tesla logo for the rear calipers.
The rear calipers? I thought Teslas don't come with the logo on the rear
calipers. They don't come with them, so we thought we'd make it stand out a little bit, you know. It'll look nice.
Sounds dope.
Got one on. This is the second one. And I think once it's all done, it'll look dope.
I think that looks pretty sick, bro, on the back caliper.
That's it. Let's see how
makes this Tesla different. No other Tesla has got the Tesla sticker on the back, as far as I know.
Sure that's all on. There we go.
Woo.
Why use one when you can use two?
You can use two. Ready, AG? Right then, guys, so I'm about to jump. Well, I have to get washed first because I'm about to jump inside. Okay, let's. Wow, that was meant to be a joke. Yeah, we're meant to pretend to wash me before I go inside. He's fully washed me now. Oh shit. Well, that was that. I'm clean at least now enough to go inside the Tesla with the white interior. Oh my god.
Obviously they call it football, don't they?
So, what you got there, mate?
We've got the, what was it, Florida Gators? Which is an American football team as we came across on Google.
Nice, nice.
And it's about to go on here as a little special for our customer. There we go. Peeling time. Oh. Boy.
Nice. So this is a surprise for them. They don't, well, the lady knows, but the partner doesn't know. And I think the partner is the one who's a fan of the Florida Gators. So it's gonna be pretty dope when they see it. We'll see their reaction. So we obviously wanted to match what we've done on the inside. When you guys saw us put that logo on the inside, check that out on the back. That looks fire. Well, when Hamza doesn't take one of the teeth out with it, you know, we need all the teeth, Hamza. All right then, guys, so it has been a journey. We've taken you from washing the car to stickering things on to painting some things. I mean, we've totally transformed this Tesla. So let's quickly jump on and let me quickly tell you what we've done to it. So we started off with the body. We changed the body color from the normal gray that it was to this beautiful dark egg green. Dark egg blue?
Robin egg.
Robin egg. Robin egg. Hey? Robin egg, not that. Right? But we also did a design. to make this car look super sick and to make it look a bit unique and a bit different. All the other Teslas you'll be seeing out there, we did a half and half wrap and check. Man, I think this is dope. But we didn't just stop there. On the window sections, on the wing mirrors, on the door handles, we de-chromed it, took away the chrome. Even the cameras are now black. I mean, what else could you ask for? And then on the front end, we've done a nice design on the lights to give it them eyebrows. Now she looks sexy up front. She even lights up, but we'll show you that on the video when the lights are up. And then we did the badge as well, we de-chromed it. And then on the back end, we did a stop there. We did a full matte black on the back. That's what we got running. So when you look at it from the back, it just looks mean. It looks insane, you know. But in order to tie the back end with the front end, we had to do something. So this is what we did. Wrap the badge in the same color as the front and also did a special sticker because our customer, he loves the Florida Gators, the team. So we did a special sticker for him on the outside, but we also did something for him on the inside. Let me quickly show you this side. I mean, look at that. We had to get the Tesla looking the same on the inside as it does on the outside. Now everything is tying in with everything. But our customers are now here, so unfortunately, we have to let the Tesla go. I've loved working on it this whole week, but I've got to give them the key now, and they want to go with it. So, good people. Who's having the key? Kim is the driver. Kim, what do you think then? So Kim is our customer. She's come to us with this beautiful Tesla. You know, she had a vision. Did we meet your vision? That's what we like to hear. I'm happy right there, guys. Beautiful is the word that I want. You know, glad you like it. So, you want your Tesla customizing, you know where to come to. But until then, make sure you watch all the videos because we've done about 6-7 videos for this vehicle. So make sure you watch them, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you're not following us on our social media, come check us out as well. We've got some cool stuff going on.